Hi, I'm Landon from LMJ Entertainment. Today, I'd like to teach you how to learn to read Hangeul in a short period of time. There are many foreign friends out there who don't know how to read Hangeul more than I thought. To help those friends, I made a series of Hangeul training videos to help them learn fast on how to read Hangeul. Then, what is different about Landon's Hangeul training videos? First of all, I focused more on practicality than grammar. What I noticed when I was learning a couple of foreign languages myself is that when you study a language based strictly on grammar, you will not be able to learn fast or efficiently. Second of all, the video was made to learn easy and fast, so just by repeating to watch the training videos every day will help you to read Hangeul. Last but not least, I want to teach you not the English way of Korean, but Korean way of Korean, which means I'm not going to write English pronunciation under Korean letters. Because if you learn based on English pronunciation, it's going to be extremely hard to understand and sound really funny like this.
말도 안 되는 게임은 누가 만든 거야? 나 그냥 들어가야 되는데 일마 이렇게.
Maybe we should do something.
아 제발 이거 좀 풀어줘. 나 미치겠네.
Now I'm going to give you the guidelines on my training videos. First things first, there are the basics that you need to know before you start studying. There are 10 vowels and 14 consonants in Hangeul. We Koreans combine these 24 letters to form syllables. I'll be teaching you how to read Hangeul even without grammar. You can simply focus on the letters and repeat after each sound. Also, I will not be showing you pronunciation in English so that you can only focus on the sound of Hangeul. You will also be given some time to repeat the pronunciation after each character. 가, 나, 다. Oh, by the way, if you're using a desktop, click on the right button on the video player and click loop. As for the people who want to repeat on their mobiles, make a new list add the video to the list, then click on loop. There are 3 training videos from level 1 to 3. Level 1 is about simple basic combinations of consonants and vowels. Level 2 is about practicing combining consonants, vowels, and final consonants, which is a more advanced combination. And level 3 is about practicing actual words and sentences. From level 1, focus and repeat the video twice a day for a week, and then you can move on to the next level. And do the same for level 2 and 3. In 3 weeks, you will be able to read Korean with ease. The most important thing is that after each training, please try to read from all Korean sources around you like K-drama subtitles or K-pop lyrics. It will help you to learn even faster. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions while you're watching, or if you have any other suggestions for our next videos. We will really appreciate it. Good luck on your training and see you next time.